What is bullying? Sige, Dr. Randy, maybe you can explain na for those who are unaware, no, that they're already bullying somebody, baka akala nila they're just being constructive in their criticism. Where do you draw the line from being critical to being a bully?
Yun nga there's a thin line between that. Kaya nga doon magkakaproblema yung Eman Atienza bill. Kasi what is a joke lang, what is satire, what is really bullying. Okay? Pero siguro we'll use the term na lang para mas malinaw yung harassment.
Okay.
Kasi yung harassment is not just a one-time thing, paulit-ulit, and of course it's unwanted, it's kind of below the belt. And then, some people also, yung mga audience, reading siguro yung posts or yung memes, are also reacting to that.
Yeah.
So that means that it's not only the victim knows experiencing it, the people also experience it. So there must be some credence na bullying talaga siya.
Pero wala tayong ganun na mga parameters na pag ito bullying na ito, like when you call out the physical aspect na pangit, yung mga derogatory bully na yun, as compared to you're physically challenged. 'Di ba? May mga mga political terms, politically correct terms versus yung very in your face na pangit ka versus pag sabihin naman you're physically challenged. Baka that's a nicer way. Wala pa tayong ganon.
You can say that, pero kung paulit-ulit, then it becomes annoying, and then it can border, towards bullying. Kasi merong Karin yung brutal, pero brutal pa rin. And we can kind of dismiss it kasi parang subtle, parang lambing lang. Pero may hidden aggression or hidden violence. And we have to take note of that.
Okay. So, Doc, despite po the high cases that are being reported, sinasabi nga na 53% lang ng mga biktima ang hindi, that's more than half of the numbers, ay nananahimik lang at hindi po nagre-report ng mga incidents until magugulat na lang, sadly minsan, magugulat na yung mga magulang na may nangyari na pala masama dahil nga sa emotional stress at trauma na nararanasan nila. Sa mga nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, na kasama po dyan na nananahimik na lang, ano po yung pinakamaganda nyong advice para hindi na tumuntong sa talagang pinakamasamang pangyayari?
Yes. Before I answer that, Pat and Ricky, I want to say, yung mga statistics ninyo, statistics natin, they are always underreported.
Underreported.
Kasi yung silent victims silent victims. So probably, you can increase that by twofold or threefold or, So sa mga people who are silent, it's very important na kung magkaroon tayo ng awareness campaigns in school Okay? You just don't tell them to speak up. You have to teach them what to do. You have to demonstrate. So you have to come up with movies. You have to come up with testimonies. Di ba? You have to have discussions. Okay? And yung mga testimonies, kasi these are stories of victory They went through the challenge. They overcame it. And dapat meron rin tayong mga anonymous reporting. Kasi they're afraid to report directly. So, it's not only the victim who should report, it's also the bystanders.
So, Doc,
kung meron kang napapansin, you have to pitch in.